What's up, guys? Welcome back once again to your favorite crypto corner. What if one NFT could literally grow in value over time? Red NFT connects digital ownership to real red sandalwood trees, each planted and grown for you. Guys, a single tree costs about $300 today, but when it matures, it can literally be worth thousands. It's real utility, real growth, and one of the most promising NFT projects heading into 2026. Without further ado, guys, let's dive in. Welcome back, guys. Alright, as I was saying, Red NFT is the first project in the world that connects real red sandalwood trees with digital NFTs. Each NFT equals one real tree planted and tracked using blockchain, so you can literally see its location, its planting date, and its growth. Here is exactly how it works. You buy an NFT for $300, and that NFT is linked to your tree. The team plants it, takes pictures, and adds all the information to the blockchain so it's fully verified. Then you choose how long you want to keep it, between 5 and 25 years, and while your tree grows, you get to earn rewards in USDT. And if you maybe decide to sell early, you can also trade your NFT anytime inside the platform or even on other marketplaces. Every tree is monitored for several months, and if anything happens, a new one from their backup stock replaces it. When your tree is fully grown, it's then harvested and sold, and you get your payout that is potentially worth many times more than what you paid at the start. As I was saying, guys, what's very good about Red NFT is the fact that you have full control over how and when you grow your wealth. You can literally pick your own timeline, choose when to exit, and even earn rewards along the way. When you stake your NFT, you can earn up to 8% per year in USDT while your tree keeps growing in the background. Obviously, the longer you hold, the more your rewards add up, and once your staking plan reaches maturity, you can withdraw everything. And of course, as I said, guys, if you ever want to sell before that, Red NFT gives you multiple options. You can create auctions for your NFTs, you can trade in bulk, or you can use the project's marketplace that connects directly with platforms like OpenSea. But guys, keep in mind that when your tree reaches maturity and you receive your returns, the story does not stop there. Red NFT also makes a real difference for the planet and the people behind it. Each NFT supports the 1 Million Tree Initiative, capturing over 500,000 tons of CO2 literally every year while restoring natural habitats and protecting endangered ecosystems. The project creates rural employment with more than 200 jobs in Andhra Pradesh, which is empowering local communities through the sustainable livelihoods. Red sandalwood cultivation helps regenerate soil through carbon-negative farming and reduces the need to harvest wild trees, allowing species populations to recover by up to 80%, guys. Everything is grown with low-chemical methods that protect biodiversity and the environment, which is aligning perfectly with the ESG goals for investors that are seeking climate-positive and socially responsible assets. So while your investment grows over time, it's also helping restore balance to the planet and support the communities that take care for it. But I have to highlight, guys, that all that positive impact also comes with real growth potential for your future. As you can see, planting one tree costs around $300 today, but when it matures over the next 20 to 25 years, it can reach values of up to $10,000. And that, my friends, is exactly why the project's waitlist is filling so fast. The NFT price starts at $300, and early supporters who join the waitlist now get access to discounted pre-sale prices before public minting begins. This could easily become one of the biggest NFT projects of 2026, combining real-world assets, sustainability, and long-term growth potential. That being said, guys, check the link in the description, join the waitlist, and secure your spot early because the future of wealth and impact could start with just one tree.